Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys something that I think everyone who works from home should have. Now, if you're like me and you get a lot of mail as well as a lot of contracts and things like that that you may need to secure or even destroy at some point, having a professional paper shredder is a must. Now, the one that I just recently received came really well packaged. So in this video, we're going to open the box. I'm going to show you guys what comes in it. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and, hopefully help you guys make a decision if this is going to be a great product for you. But let's get right to it. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here. As you guys can see, this is very well packaged. So let me grab a knife here real quick. We're just going to cut the seals off of the box just to open it up, just so you guys can see what we get in here. So the first thing we're going to be greeted with here is the starter manual. We'll get back to that. All right, so here's the full unit. We're going to take this out. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. It already has the wheels on it, as you guys can see. So it's ready. All right, so you have a little tape in different places. We'll get to that here in a second. But I want you guys to take a look around this. You have these side handles here that you'll be able to use to pick this up. It rolls really freely. It's not super heavy. All right, guys, let's take a quick look around. Here in the back, you're going to find the input here for your plug. As you look a little higher here on the top, it gives you an indicator of all the different type of things that you cannot use. This is the insert point where you can just drop things in through that little slot there. You also have your different indicator lights here on the front. So you're going to have your feed error, your bin full, overheat, overload, open door, reverse, auto, forward, and then we have the bin itself here in the front, okay? Now there's a section here that opens. That's this whole section pops up. So to open this section, you're just going to press this little button here, and the entire thing pops open. This is where you can place sheets of paper, and it will automatically shred those by just placing them inside. I'll demonstrate that here for you guys here in just a second. So this front bin here just pulls out like so, as you guys can see, and this is where all of everything that you're going to shred is going to go inside. In this front bin, you'll also find all of your cables that you're going to need. So we're going to go ahead and plug this guy up just so you guys can get an idea of how this works. So you just get a standard two-prong plug. All right, so on the rear of the unit, there is a power button on and off switch. This is just some paper I grabbed here. So we're just going to take this paper. We're just going to drop this inside like you would inside of a printer. We're just going to drop the paper in. We're going to close the top. All right, guys, so let's look inside the bin. As you can see, it shredded up all of the paper that we put inside of it. Take a look inside here. Everything is gone. And of course, you can just, top feed a sheet or envelope or whatever the case may be right in here. If it gets stuck for some reason, you have your reverse, your forward button, and then again, all of these indicator lights. So overall, guys, I think this is going to be a great appliance in my home studio. So if you guys are looking for a professional styled paper shredder, all right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.